and introduce Ravindra Bhaviskar, Director Sales Engineering, India and SAARC, Sophos Technologies. Ravindra, over to you.
Hello everyone and welcome. My name is Ravindra Bhaviskar and I am working as a Director Sales Engineering here at Sophos. And today I want to show you how to leverage the Sophos approach of cybersecurity evolved in the era of digital transformation. And to do that, we are going to talk on few key areas today. We will quickly talk about a journey and a framework of digital transformation, what role cybersecurity is playing in digital transformation, and lastly, we will talk about the holistic cybersecurity approach of Sophos in the era of digital transformation. So let's get started. Digital transformation is all about journey, not just the destination. And we have seen a journey of digital transformation from information era to data era and now data analytic with machine learning, artificial intelligence, and all sorts of automation that we see today. According to my experience, digital transformation framework consists of a customer ecosystem to provide better experience, a partner ecosystem for better industry collaboration, and IT systems for employee collaboration. And all these things being accessed via various IoT devices to stay connected. And we have seen cloud is at the center of all digital transformation framework. Industry is moving towards OpEx models such as software as a service, and Office 365 is a great and a classical example of it. Data is everywhere. As I said, we are in the era of data analytics, where analytics is a new engine. Internet of Things are the common way to stay connected irrespective where you are. And most importantly, cybersecurity is the core of everything when we talk about digital transformation. And whether you like it or not, perimeters has gradually destroyed. Times have certainly changed, and suddenly we all are not sitting in an office in a trusted environment. User want to work remotely on an untrusted network like Starbucks Wi-Fi. They want to use their own personal devices to access corporate data and resources. And looking at current situation, few months ago seems to be a lot different than looking at it right now. Who would have thought that in the month of Jan, we would have been working from home, and that too in the same way we used to work from office, in fact, more efficiently. And thanks to the use of the SaaS application, cloud platform and services, which leaves your data outside of the corporate perimeter. Adoption of cloud or the public cloud platforms has increased a lot thanks to this pandemic. But then when I say public platforms, means many devices, applications, services which used to run within a corporate perimeter now can run outside of the corporate perimeter. In short, everything is everywhere. But unfortunately, most IT security has not kept the pace. Many customers are still buying the point solution on their current requirement without even seeing the future demand. It's time to upgrade firewall, they will buy one. It's time to upgrade endpoint, they will buy one, and so on and so forth. In short, they are putting out a fire in front of them, but not seeing how that might be completely surrounded by it very soon. This is the reason for causing couple of problems for them. It increases the risk. IT is trying to manually integrate these separate point solution product in attempt to get them work together, maybe through a costly affair like SIEM and SOAR solution. But on top of it, there is no threat intelligence sharing, no automated response, thereby heavily dependent on human resources. This leads to the second problem, that is increase in the cost as you need experienced staff and time as IT is becoming more reactive than a proactive one. So how do you escape this all firefighting? What's the solution? Well, welcome to the holistic cybersecurity approach. Whatever industry you are in, regardless of what business size you have, the holistic cybersecurity must be considered as a top priority and an integral part of a digital transformation journey. Let me remind you one thing, that no industry is immune to cyber threats and the attack. A solid cybersecurity posture can be achieved through a combination of three things which you can see on your screen. Zero trust cybersecurity model, next generation solution, and automated cybersecurity system. So let's deep dive into this approach. First and foremost, the zero trust cybersecurity model. What it says: trust nothing, never ever. Because when you trust nothing, you are forced to seek relevant security measures whenever there is a risk or you see potential risk. Verify everything. Having credential does not mean you are trustable. It just means that you have credentials. Now, let's break this into four simple principles of zero trust so that you can keep it in mind. First and foremost, always identify. You need a singular authoritative source of identity and use it wherever with single sign on. Everything should be authenticated with multi-factor authentication, no matter where user is, what they are trying to access. Second, always control. Enforce the principle of least privilege. Users should only have access to bare minimum thing that they need to perform their job. Third, always analyze. Just because an authentication was successful or access is granted to a particular user or particular device does not mean that is trustable. Insider threats and malicious actors may gain access to the valid credentials. So, record all the network and system activity, regularly analyze and inspect it to verify whatever has happened after the authentication. And that is why the EDR, like endpoint detection and response, as well as MTR, managed threat response, has emerged to serve exactly the same need. And lastly, always secure. Use an inside-out approach to cybersecurity. Always consider risk above everything else, not just because of the compliance and the regulation. Applying security policies or measure purely to meet compliance check and regulation requirement can be dangerous. Here are our next generation solution which Sophos can offer you. First and foremost, our next generation endpoint solution, which we call it as Intercept X, detects both known and unknown malware without even relying on any signatures. Our CryptoGuard protects files, automatic file recovery, and behavioral analysis to stop ransomware and master boot kind of record or attacks as well. And our exploit prevention deny attacker by blocking exploit techniques and tools to distribute malware and even to steal credential and escape the detection. You can also top up this protection with EDR capabilities for more visibility into the suspicious activity. Sophos EDR takes threat hunting and IT hunting operation to the next level with powerful features like live discover and live response with EDR 3.0 capabilities. The next is our new extreme packet processing architecture in SFOS or XG firewall version 18, which gives you better visibility, better protection, and better response. Our new Extreme SSL inspection solution gives unmatched visibility into the encrypted traffic, including TLS 1.3. And most importantly, it is port agnostic, unlike a proxy scanning. The new threat intelligence features provides a deep learning analysis of all the files entering into the network and blocking the latest threat, even those we have not seen before. So thanks to Sophos Lab and our sandboxing technology, which helps you to block all those zero-day attack at perimeter level itself. With our new fast path capabilities and synchronized SD-WAN helps to optimize the business critical application performance. Next is Sophos MTR. With Sophos MTR, organizations are armed with 24/7 team of threat hunters and responders, which will do following things for you. They will proactively hunt for and validate the potential threats and the incidents. They will use all available information to determine the scope of severity and the threats. They will apply appropriate business contexts for validating the threats. They initiate the action to remotely disrupt, contain, and neutralize the threats. And most importantly, we take action on the notification. Unlike others, they simply inform about the notification. And lastly, in case you are using cloud platform like AWS, Azure, and Google, or planning to move your assets onto the cloud, then our cloud optics will help you to provide visibility, compliance, and response to all those cloud assets hosted on all these cloud platform. And this is our innovation, synchronized security or cyber security as a system. The zero trust and our vision of cybersecurity, which we call it as a synchronized security, shares many same goal and complement with each other. So for synchronized security, which is a cybersecurity as a system that continuously analyzes, adopts, and automates the most complex tasks in IT, so that you can dynamically monitor all system activity, user behavior, network traffic, and compliance posture in real time. So all these technologies share information with each other, threat intelligence with each other, providing you insight and visibility to each other where no one would be blind. And just to give you example of it, let's see how the automatic incident response works in a hybrid on-prem and a public cloud zero trust environment. So if you have a servers in public cloud protected with InterceptX and with XG Firewall at the edge of virtual environment, then XG Firewall will receive security heartbeats from the server. And if something worst happens and one of the server gets compromised, then the heartbeat goes red and firewall can easily pick that up immediately. What firewall does? Firewall can then block the access of that server to the internet, keeping in mind that attackers might be coming from the internet and you are just protecting your servers straight away, connecting to the internet or connecting to the command and control center. You have also protected that server for spreading malicious content out to other server that might you have been connected to, or either a cloud or from making its way to the physical office as well. What else? It, of course, then with lateral movement protection, we can also stop the server from infecting the nearest neighboring servers and endpoints as well. And then just as quickly, as easily, once InterceptX cleans up the threads, health will be automatically turned to green and all the connectivity will be restored as it is. So that's the beauty of automated incident and response using synchronized security. As I said, because of digital transformation, IT infrastructure are constantly expanding, becoming more complex, but not to worry. Sophos is there to help you that ever-changing ecosystems using our next generation solution, no matter wherever it is hosted. For on-premises infrastructure, we have XG Firewall and InterceptX for endpoints and server to protect your assets and data. It will give you a visibility of all the cloud applications getting access to your corporate network using a CASB Lite agent or solution in our XG Firewall. In case those assets are hosted in cloud like AWS, Azure, then the same XG Firewall instance available on the cloud platform and the InterceptX can be deployed on the cloud to protect your assets. And on top of it, our cloud optics, which I talked about, will give you much needed visibility, compliance, and response for ever-changing dynamic nature of the cloud. Since everything can be managed through a single cloud management platform that is Sophos Central, even the remote user and work from users will get the same level of protection as that of on-premise hosted or the cloud hosted assets. They can also use a Sophos Connect IPsec client to securely connect to their corporate infrastructure, and the synchronized security is also applicable for VPN users. So this truly securing the customer's ecosystem with a single partner and single OEM and managed through a single console that is Sophos Central. This is truly a cybersecurity evolved in a digital era. So that's all from my side, guys. Thanks a lot for joining the session. Thank you.